Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
Sarah, look at this.
What is it, Min?
This video is viral.
Is it about food?
No, it is coffee.
Solve coffee, really?
Yes, Safi Muoy.
It looks so creamy.
Millions of people watched.
Is it in Hanoi?
Right in the center.
I want a cup.
Should we go now?
Right now, yes.
Grab your small bag.
I have it here.
Is your phone charged?
It is at 80.
We need to film.
For your social media?
For our daily vlog.
I feel like a star.
You are a star.
Stop, let's just go.
The bus is coming.
Run, we can catch it.
Watch your step, Sarah.
I'm okay, Min.
Do you like Hanoi?
I love the energy.
It is very loud.
But it is fun.
Are you thirsty?
Very, let's find salt.
Salt in the drink.
Sounds so strange.
Trust the local taste.
I trust you, Min.
Here is the shop.
Look at the line.
The line is long.
It moves very fast.
Sarah, you order first.
Me, in Vietnamese?
Yes, use your app.
Wait, I remember.
What is the phrase?
Cho toi motcafi.
And the salt part?
Safi muoi, please.
You can do it.
Okay, here I go.
The lady is ready.
Cho toi hai cafi muoi.
Wow, she smiled.
She understood me.
Your accent is great.
Is it really okay?
Very clear and natural.
Social media helped me.
Which account do you watch?
It is called Daily VN.
I know that one.
The videos are short.
They use slang too.
Like Din Qua?
Yes, that means awesome.
My followers will love it.
Are we recording now?
Yes, say hello.
Hello from Hanoi.
We found the coffee.
It costs 50,000.
That is $2?
Roughly $2, yes.
So cheap for this.
And so delicious.
The smell is amazing.
Let's find a seat.
On those tiny stools?
How do you study?
I use phonetics.
Is that an app?
It's a TikTok tag.
That's a clever name.
It makes learning fun.
No boring grammar books?
None at all, Min.
Just real street talk?
Exactly, like this dialogue.
I should try it.
To learn English better?
Yes, to sound natural.
You already sound good.
I want more slang.
Try saying what's up.
What's up, Sarah?
Perfect, very cool.
Is it too informal?
Not for friends.
I see, very useful.
The clips are short.
60 seconds long?
Sometimes even less.
Do you repeat aloud?
Yes, in my room.
Do your neighbors hear?
They probably think I'm crazy.
Crazy but smart.
It builds muscle memory.
For your tongue?
Yes, for the tones.
Vietnamese has 6 tones.
That is the hardest part.
But you are winning.
I am trying hard.
The coffee is here.
Finally, let's taste.
Ready for the foam?
I am so ready.
Mix it slowly, Sarah.
Like this?
Yes, watch the layers.
White, brown, and black.
Now, take a sip.
Oh my God.
Is it good?
It is like dessert.
Sweet and salty?
Perfectly balanced.
It's the best, right?
I'm shocked.
Why are you shocked?
Salt works so well.
It cuts the bitterness.
And makes it creamy.
Hanoi people love this.
I can see why.
It's a daily ritual.
What does ritual mean?
A routine, a habit.
Like my language apps?
Exactly, every single day.
I want this daily.
We can meet here.
At 7 a.m.?
Maybe 8 a.m.
8 is better.
We can practice English.
And practice my Vietnamese.
It is a deal.
High five, Min.
What is a deal?
It means we agree.
I agree completely.
This is so cool.
Look, the sun's out.
The lighting is perfect.
One more photo?
Smile for the camera.
Let's start the video.
What should I say?
Introduce the coffee.
And our language plan.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Action.
Hi, I'm Min.
And I'm Sarah.
We are in Hanoi.
Drinking salt coffee.
It is delicious.
And we are learning.
Learning together.
English and Vietnamese.
Join our journey.
Follow our page.
See you tomorrow.
Come on, everyone.
That was great.
Was I too loud?
No, you were energetic.
The coffee helped.
The caffeine is strong.
I feel very awake.
Let's edit this now.
On your phone?
Yes, it is easy.
Add some music.
Something local?
Yes, a V-pop song.
I have the perfect one.
Send it to me.
Check your messages.
Got it. Love it.
We will be famous.
In Hanoi, maybe.
That is enough for me.
Me too, Min.
Ready to post?
Clicking the button, now.